Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert copyright symbol in Word without keyboard. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert copyright symbol in this document without keyboard. Firstly click the page. Then go to the insert menu. Then click symbol drop down menu, then go to the more symbol. Now we can see here many symbol. We find and select the copyright symbol. Here this copyright symbol and we insert it. Then close the window. Now we can see we insert copyright symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.